Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing the set B1 of assignment 1 of PHP lab book from Pune University. Now what they have said to do is we have to perform arithmetic operations, which means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let's start right away. So it's set B1, so let's name it that way, and we are inside. So what they have said is accept two numbers from the user. Let's quickly accept these two numbers from the user. Now remember, you have to give input type as number since you are taking in numbers. Yeah, it's done. Let's check it out. b1.php. So here it is there for numbers. Your number input, you can either type in whatever you want, or you can use these arrows for number inputs and use your submit button. Ready. They have said give options to choose arithmetic operation, use radio buttons, display the result on the next form. Okay, now we have to perform arithmetic operations like add, subtract, multiply, divide. Let's do this. So we'll have PHP and we'll have radio buttons. They have said use radio buttons. Input type radio. Value add. Now we have add, subtract, multiply, divide. In this one I'll be using switch case, so I'll give value 1 2 3 4. Now this is PHP. Inside PHP now we'll import num1, num2 and our radio button. Okay, we are done with importing. Now let's have switch statement and we'll switch OP. Case 1, we have to use functions, so let's call our functions. With these parameters passed. So here we are done with cases, and then we'll have a default case. Which will say option not selected. Let's create these functions. Alright, let's do this other way around. We'll write these functions in another file and include it here. We'll write it in b1 function.php, and then we'll call them. Similarly, let's create other functions. You can just do it by simply copying them. Now here we have done our functions file, and now we'll have our functions called in this file. Now I'm using this include statement. There are two include statements. One is include once, and the other one is which I have used over here. So the one which I have used will allow me to call my functions n number of times, but include once will allow me to call one function once every execution. So let's try and run it out. We haven't changed this thing yet. Now this division is done. Now let's check it out. b1.php, let's have 2 and 3, addition is 5, it's working fine. Let's have 5, 2, subtract, subtraction is 3, okay. Let's have 6 and 4 and multiply, 24, that's alright, done. And let's have 16 and 4 and divide, that's 4. So here's your program done. You have used include statement as well as radio buttons, and you have accepted two numbers. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for further questions. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.